Hello everyone, this is Matsuyoshi. Thank you for watching my video. Today I am going to wiring to style this white pine. This one. Okay, let's roll it. Okay. The camera's down. Yeah, I didn't forget that. Alright, and this is my first time to watch this one too, and I have to imagine how to style this one. Okay, first I think, alright, see, this is the main trunk. Can you see the main trunk, the thickest one, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 branches from the same place. So I have to take some branches and make a few and use a few branch and take out the rest. So I have to decide the main trunk first. Then I think I can use this one also, but this time I like to use this one to be a main trunk. Okay, so this thick branch, the main one, I have to cut it. Do this one first. Cut it. See? And next time I have to do before that I did many old leaves around here because it's lived for a while and we didn't kill this tree. So okay, see this branch, this is a new leaf, and at the bottom place these are the old leaves. So there exists two leaves, old ones and new ones, and the new ones are very clean and the old ones is dark green and it's a bit brown. So first I have to take these old leaves. Okay, let's take it. Normally for black pine we are taking these old leaves in fall to winter, but this is a white pine, and the white pine it's okay not to take it until it's fall down, and in a year later from now these leaves will fall down, turn to the brown and fall down, because these leaves only be here for 2 years and not more. So normally we just leave it as it is, but this time I have to wire this tree, so I have to see branches more carefully, and it's not good not to have all leaves because then I can see more clearly. So I decided to take this. Okay, I took everything, I think. If I find someone later, I'll take that later, but this time it's okay. Now it's okay. Now this is cleaner than before, and I decided to this as a new main trunk. So the first branch will be here, this one, and the second branches, side branches, so I don't need this branch. Normally I use only 2 or 3 leaves at the same place. Yeah, mostly 3, and don't need it. And the top place, this is too long, so I took this too, right here. Oops. Okay, so done. Alright, let's begin the tree. Can you imagine? Okay, now let's route the wire. arrow the wire to the first branch here. And the second branch here. The first branch have two side branches here, but it's going down and the other one going up, so I have to make it flat to the side, right side and left side. So I have to bend like this. So wire, I roll the wire to this way, so I can bend the tree to this way, the same side. If you wire in the opposite side and you screw to against the wire will be losing and it can't work. So always wire to the same side that you want to curve. You want to make a curve, okay? Okay. Right. Doing the same thing to the rest of all. Okay, done. So this is, you may think this is not beautiful because the leaves are laying down everyone, but new leaf will come from this bud, the top bud just hiding here, and it will grow up in April to June, I think. So new one will come from here, and new one will going up, so it will be beautiful than before. And when a new one be strong enough, these leaves I will take it off, so then the tree will be more beautiful. So now that this is okay. Some people are bending top side like this to make every leaves going to top, but I don't do that because I don't need to do it, because after growing the new one will automatically going up, so you don't have to do that. If you don't sell it or you don't show it to someone very soon, you don't need to do that. So this is okay, right? This is the white pine wiring of mine. It's done. So it's okay. Thank you for watching this time. See you next time.